Okay, what application you are using this time? Salesforce application. Any idea about Data Cloud? What is the main role of Data Cloud? And okay, so here we can generate the 360 view of the customer. We can ingest data from multiple sources. We have available so many connector. If not, then we can use the API connectors. Okay, using them, we can ingest the data in the data cloud and we get the customer 360 profile. So profile unification is the first use case. Second is unstructured data. Third is the Tableau next. And fourth is marketing cloud. Any idea about marketing cloud next? Okay. Recently, they have launched this marketing cloud next, and in this, they have given the AI capabilities. Okay, so directly it is not connected with the data cloud, but the agent force we need to create. Okay, and to activate agent force, we need a data cloud. And agent force is the AI chatbot. If you are able to see this icon, this is the agent force. Okay, currently it is not activated. That's why it is showing some error. We'll activate and we'll use this. Okay, so I am giving you a one link. On this URL, so many trial logs are available. All are valid for the 30 days, like developer edition, and this one CRMX and Slack and these script. Okay, but we don't need all these trial. We need a only single trial log. First one is the main. We need to provide some detail here. Once we provide the detail, we'll get the email address, whatever you have, you will provide here. Okay, and there you need to set up your credential, means password. Once you set up, then you will be able to log in this. So I'm giving this URL also. So you will get the access of data cloud and the Salesforce in this org. The same org which I am using. Okay, so in this org, you will get the access of data cloud, but in your company org, you need to search your profile, whatever name you have. You can search your user. Here you will see this permission set license. Okay. First, you need to assign this license. You need to enable this license for the data cloud. Search here data cloud. Okay, so it is already enabled in my org because this is the trial log. That's why they have it is already enabled. If it is not, if I need to enable it in the company org, then I need to enable this first. This is the agent first default and this service agent. Okay, once you enable it, then you need to assign the permission set. Okay, here this is the main developer permission set. If someone wants to develop anything in the data cloud, then he needs this data cloud architect permission. And this is for the agent host developer. And user permission set is also available here, data cloud user. This is only for the view. Means user will be able to see the data cloud, but he will not be able to see these options. New, delete, and update, and all. Any development related activity he cannot do. Okay, once you are done with here, you will get the data cloud option. You can search here data cloud from the AMP launcher. You will be able to see these options. But these new delete data stream, still you will not be able to see. Okay, once you enable the permission set in the data cloud setup is available here. You need to click here. You will get the option here. You need to click on the get started option here. This is already activated. That's why I'm unable to see. Once you click here on the get started, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. It will complete the setup. Then you will be able to see all these options. The get started is only for first time when you set up data cloud in your company. Once you are done, then directly you assign the permission set, you will be able to see all these things here. Okay, so whenever we ingest the data, first step is to set up the connection. Second step is the data stream. Then data comes in the DLO, then DMO. We are good to create the profile unification. DLO means data lake objects. This is data model object. Okay, so to set up the connection, the same process we need to follow. Click on the this gear icon. Here you will get the data cloud setup option, and here you will see Salesforce integration and external integration. Salesforce integration means if you are ingesting data from the Salesforce CRMA, marketing cloud, or commerce cloud, we have these connectors already available. Okay, if I click on this Salesforce CRMA, here this connected org already showing. but in your company org, it will not be visible. Okay, to complete the setup, you need to click on new, and here you need to select the org which you want to connect with this data cloud. If it is the production, then you need to select the first one. If it is sandbox, then second one. Okay, let's say you are planning to connect this one. Click next, any alias here, okay, and proceed. In this, now it will ask to provide the credential. Once you provide the credential here, it will be connected. It will connect, complete the setup here. It will look like connection name and alias and org ID. Okay. And the same process is for marketing cloud and commerce cloud. These are the other connector which we have available like external activation, Snowflake, website, and ingestion API, other connector and private connect. So in the other connector, we have available lots of the connector. Okay, let's say you are planning to ingest the data from the Databricks. Just select here, click next, and here you need to provide the details. Username, password, and connection URL, HTTP path. Client ID, client secret. You want to connect using this, you just need to provide and connection will be completed.
In order to connect to the marketing cloud, so you just need to click on the marketing and then you have to connect it to your marketing cloud account, right? Then it will connect to the data cloud.
Yes.
Okay.
Once connection is completed, you need to come here. This is the first step to ingest the data in the data cloud. Data stream is the first step. Okay. Click new here. So come here. You can search the data cloud here. You will be redirected. Okay, on this main page. Then you can click on data stream. Second step, you directly can search the data stream from the app launcher. You will be able to see like this, and you click and you will be redirected. Click next here, and these are the connect will look like this. Okay, currently this one is active. This is not the active one, just some connection name I have given. That's why it is fine. Okay, if you want to upload the files, you also can upload. This is the package and data kits. Data kit is something like two teams are using data cloud. One team like marketing and sales. And sales has completed some setup, some development, and same development I want to deploy in this data cloud org. Then I can deploy this. Okay, so we will create many data kits and packages later and we'll deploy in this org also. And here it is showing these all the connectors. Okay, so if I uncheck these, all the connectors are in the beta version. These are in the generally available. But these are the just simple icons. Okay, if I select anything here, it will not do anything. Okay, just for the reference. If I click next, okay, that is if I select this one. So it will show. Please select the data source. Okay, to set up these connection, we need to go in the data cloud setup here. From here, we need to set up the connection first. Then we will see that connector in the disconnected source or other sources and upload the file from your system directly. Okay, so some places we need basic understanding like query editor. In the query editor, it support the SQL here. Query editor is only for to validate the data. If I select this one, you can run the query and you will be able to see the data. Whatever is available, we can connect. If not, then we can download from the app exchange or we can raise the ticket to the Salesforce team and they will help. So this connector. Okay, this connection has been completed. Okay, now let me show you. Now it is visible here.
Okay.
And you are ready to ingest the data from this source. This is the object public schema for now I am selecting. And here some this detail you need to provide. Now it is processing. It will take few seconds. I didn't select all the field. Let me select all the fields. Add choose field. So I have selected all the fields. It will process the data. If data you are selecting from the Salesforce CRMA, let me check. Pending. Okay, let's select the opportunity object. Opportunity object is not available this time in this one. So these are the bundles. Just loading. Okay, we can add all the object in a single click. We need to install like a single bundle they have included. These are the standard one. Okay, we also can create from our end. So contact lead opportunity user account object we can deploy. We need to install these bundle from the data cloud setup. So in the data cloud setup here under the Salesforce CRMA, you will see the standard bundle list. From here you need to install. These all are coming from the CRMA. And once I deploy this, automatically it will complete the that mapping between the data lake object and data model object and all these thing. It will complete automatically. You don't need to do mapping and the detail. Profile
Okay.
category, primary key, and key qualifier. All these things. This will complete. We have this option, view objects, and here you will see all the object list. Salesforce object 1010. Okay, let's say search search opportunity. Oh, this one is already case. This one is also okay. I'm selecting this one, case contact role. Okay, if I need to ingest single object. If I need to ingest two object, three object, four object, similar to, and I can select. For now, I am selecting single object. Okay, I'm just clicking next. Okay, so two object was selected. That's why it is showing two here. Let me deselect the case object. Case solution, just object category I need to define here. And primary key automatically it has detected because data is coming from the Salesforce CRM. Automatically it will get. We also can define like I don't need these fields, then I can deselect them. So custom or any standard, all the object we will be able to see here. Okay, so if you see these are the fields which are already included. If I don't need these fields, I can simply disable from here. Okay, click next and deploy. Okay, some fields I included, but sometime again if I need these fields, I can reselect them. I need these two fields also. I can click and save it. Now you will be able to see only two fields there. Yeah. Okay, suppose these are the objects which are available here current, and you are not able to one custom object or a standard object here. Okay, in that scenario or any field you are not able to see here. So in that scenario, you need to go in the permission set and need to search data cloud. So simply can click on D and here data cloud Salesforce connector. This permission set you need to find out. Under this permission set, you need to give the permission to read and write the object. So if you see the object is account, the permission set are enabled. This read, view all record, view all field. Okay. So I'm just opening this account object. And here, if you see all the fields are enabled, that's why I'm able to see there. Or someone has been disable any field from here, I will not be able to see these field in the data cloud. Okay, once we are complete with the data ingestion, second step is the to complete the mapping. Here we have a option available. Left side is the data lake object, right side is the data model object. So between data lake object to data model object, we need to complete mapping one by one. Like if I click left side, right side, I need to select the field. Okay, once data is available here, then we are good to create the identity resolution, other details. Okay, so this is the main first and main use case of the data cloud. Second is the unstructured data. If we have the data available like PDF files, Word files, MP3 files, MP4 files, or any other document we have available. To read this, we have the complete RAG process. We follow the RAG process. We ingest the data in the DLOs. Then that DLO data we ingest in the search index, and then the Chain Studio. Then this data we can use in the prompt builder, agent force, and many other places. Okay. These are the main places where we can use the data. Other places also we can use like summary generation and other things we can create for internal purpose also, external purpose also. Okay.
Okay.
So I had the permission set enabled, so I'm able to agent force agent here. So agent force we can use like if any customer is there and he wants to know the what is the status of my case. He will simply type his email address and some authentication method we can give, or if it is not required, then in that scenario he directly can put the case number and he'll get the all the detail there. And something flight booking and so many websites this agent force is being used. Like if you visit on Flipkart, Amazon, there also you see the one AI option agent. You type like give me the list, the cheaper price mobile. These kinds of insight you can get from there. This okay, some more topic I think is
Data Cloud is a direct production environment, right? Same as Marketing Cloud, right?
No, in this org, we don't have the sandbox because this is the dev org. Means the sandbox is available. They have provided the sandbox for the data cloud also.
Okay.
This one is yeah, Steam Studio. Actually, I make so many changes in data cloud. This one. So it is making some problem. Okay, so I'll check this later. But here, like, if you need the detail of anything, I'm just adding some account manager. Okay, can you provide me? Okay, so this time it is asking the username, email address, or username. Once I provide the username or email address, it will provide me the detail. Okay, let's say account object, and this is it is unable to identify sensitive information added. Okay, okay. Actually, I have done so many things in this. Let me change this. Yeah, in this, it is already activated. Okay, say give me this. Okay, so it will provide you like this, and you can say provide me in the tabular format. Then it will provide you the detail in the tabular format also. You can this agent for default is for the internal purpose only. If you need to create for the customer and some B2B and B2C, then that other options also we have available. Okay, this is for the customer agent for service agent. This is mainly for the customers and employee agent. We use this for internal purpose and some B2B, B2C templates are not available currently in this org. In the SDO or in your company org, you will be able to see them. If you want to generate this agent with the AI, you simply type prompt here. It will generate your complete agent. Okay, so the second use case we have available that we can use this agent force also. Okay, it is we have this data graph, the option which can process data very fast and millisecond it can provide the response in the agent. Okay, and if someone wants to activate agent force, then there's dependency with the data cloud. First, they need to activate the data cloud, then they will be able to use this agent force. And yeah, third is the unstructured data. If we have process, we need to use that unstructured PDF or Word file data as a knowledge article, then also we need a data cloud in the agent force. Okay, this is the second case. Third is the Tableau Next. Recently, they have launched this Tableau Next. This is the AI based. And in this also we need to enable the agent. In the data cloud, we have an available here, the semantic layer. So this is the first step to activate the Tableau Next also. In the Tableau Next, we can generate the insight. We simply create one simple dashboard. UI is similar to this Tableau. Not all the option you will be able to see. Only this left side data options and column rows and this chart editor. Okay, so similar to this, if you and this is very small. If you are able to see here, the agent force analytics. This is the agent and it is available in the Tableau Next. You type your question and it will provide you the response. Like what is the area where I need to focus in my business? Where's the less revenue? All the insight it can provide you in this chat window. And instead of creating 10 dashboard, you can create single dashboard. In the single dashboard, you can get all the insight. And you can do some forecasting and the prediction in this also. Okay, third is the marketing cloud next. In this also they have included the agent force. Okay, so real time you can track the campaigns and if you are not getting too much, you are the customer communication you are not getting on that campaign after 2 or 3 hours later, you can make the changes in the campaigns and you can rerun the campaigns. Okay, so I think previous month they have launched. But currently they don't provide the this data cloud next as a trial. But I'll check if it is available in my STO or somewhere. I'll check and I'll give you one demo. Tableau Next and other access I have already have available. If you are working with the partner company, you just can activate one STO org. Okay, partner company means the TCS, Accenture, IBM, Cognizant. You can search. I think it will show you Salesforce.
I have a question, Raj. Like,
That is the separate application you will be able to see here. Marketing Cloud.
where?
To run the campaign, we need to connect, get the data from the data cloud, that unified profiles. Okay.
Mhm.
In that scenario, we need to connect and we need to publish the data from the data cloud and the marketing cloud next. And there you can run the campaigns. But
Okay.
second dependency is the agent force also. Agent force will be enabled from this org, and that agent you can use in the that marketing.
Marketing.
So what Salesforce is doing currently, it is making dependency with the this data cloud. All the applications are means after 1 or 2 year later, they will make this data cloud as a base software. So partner companies list. Yeah, these are the Accenture, Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, Wipro. Okay, if you are working in these companies, you will get the access of PLC, uh, the PLC, partner learning camp. Okay, on using this URL, you can log in here, and you will get some demo org here, like 15 or 20 something. And from there, you can create the STO. STO is the main org there, and in that org you will get the all the access. Normally that is valid for 30 days, but you can raise the case to the Salesforce team. They will extend that org for the 1 year PLC one.